So I gotta read you this. And
Nice.
it's got to be one of my favorite poems. It's called "The History of One Tough Motherfucker" by Charles Bukowski. And people should go look at videos. Well, there's videos of Bukowski doing interviews with a cat by his side, and that's the cat he's talking about. All right, it goes like this. He came to the door one night, wet, thin, beaten, and terrorized. A white, cross-eyed, tailless cat. I took him in and fed him, and he stayed. Grew to trust me, until a friend drove up the driveway and ran him over. I took what was left to a vet who said, "Not much chance. Give him these pills, his backbone is crushed, but it was crushed before and somehow mended. If he lives, he'll never walk. Look at these x-rays. He's been shot. Look here, the pellets are still there. Also, he once had a tail. Somebody cut it off." I took the cat back. It was a hot summer, one of the hottest in decades. I put him on the bathroom floor, gave him water and pills. He wouldn't eat. He wouldn't touch the water. I dipped my finger into it and wet his mouth, and I talked to him. I didn't go anywhere. I put in a lot of bathroom time and talked to him, and gently touched him, and he looked back at me with those pale blue crossed eyes. And as the days went by, he made his first move, dragging himself forward by his front legs. The rear ones wouldn't work. He made it to the litter box, crawled over and in. It was like the trumpet of possible victory blowing in that bathroom and into the city. I related to that cat. I had it bad. Not that bad, but bad enough. One morning he got up, stood up, fell back down, and just looked at me. "You can make it," I said to him. He kept trying, getting up, falling down. Finally, he walked a few steps. He was like a drunk. The rear legs just didn't want to do it, and he fell again, rested, then got up. You know the rest. Now he's better than ever. Cross-eyed, almost toothless, but the grace is back. And that look in his eyes never left. And now sometimes I'm interviewed. They want to hear about life and literature, and I get drunk and hold up my cross-eyed shot, run over a detailed cat. And I say, look at this. But they don't understand. They say something like, you say you've been influenced by Celine. No. I hold the cat up, influenced by what happens, by things like this, by this, by this. I shake the cat, hold him up in the smoky and drunken light. He's relaxed. He knows. It's then that the interviews end. Although I am proud sometimes when I see the pictures later, and there I am, and there's the cat, and we are photographed together. He too knows it's bullshit, but that somehow it all helps. So when you posted about
I love that.
the three-legged cat, there you go. And I think of your music and your life story in the same way. It's just been through some shit, just like Bukowski. Neither of you two have been through what that cat's been through. But, you know, that's kind of life. That's what it's all about.